Today I am going to discuss about the motion of follower of constant acceleration and deceleration. Motion of follower of constant acceleration and deceleration. Here phi is the cam angle. Phi is the cam angle during the maximum movement of the during the movement of the riser, maximum movement of the follower. H by 2, H is the total maximum lift of the follower and H by 2 is the center, okay, throughout the center. So now from here displacement equals to, you all know, that is ut plus half f t square. So from here u equals to 0, so s equals to half f t square. This is the equation number 1. Now from here f equals to 2s by t square. F equals to 2s by t square. Okay, this is the equation number 2. Now for the constant acceleration, we just consider that follower is at midway. Follower is at midway. Then it will be s equals to will be h by 2 and theta equals to will be phi by 2. Now omega equals to theta by t. So from here theta equals to omega into t and t equals to theta by omega. So now if omega t equals to phi by 2, then t equals to phi by 2 omega. So now put the value of s equals to h by 2 and t equals to phi by 2 omega into the equation number 2. Then we will get f equals to 2 into h by 2 divided by phi square by 4 omega square. So 2 will be cancelled out. So f equals to will be 4 h omega square by phi square. So 4 h omega square by phi square. Okay, this is the value of f. Now v equals to ds by dt, and from here s equals to half f t square. So then it will be 2 by 2 into f into t. So 2 will be cancelled out. Now v equals to f into t. Now put the value of f into this equation number 3. Then v equals to, f is 4h omega square by phi square. So 4h omega square by phi square, and it will be multiplied by t. Now for the maximum velocity, Now for the maximum velocity, and also omega equals to theta by t. So from here t equals to theta by omega we can also write. So now put this value into this equation. So it will be v equals to 4 into h into omega square by phi square into theta by omega. Okay. Now omega will be cancelled, 1 omega will be remain, so it will be v equals to 4h omega into theta by phi square. Now for the maximum velocity, theta will be maximum, theta max equals to phi by 2. Theta max equals to phi by 2, that is the maximum cam angle will be reached when the follower is at the midway. So then v max equals to 4 into h into omega by phi square into phi by 2. So it will be 2, 1, 2 will be cancelled, 5, 1, 5 will be remain. So now the maximum velocity will be 2h omega by phi. This is the actual formula of the maximum velocity, 2h omega by phi. Okay.